What's up? Rich from Comic Cap Collectibles. I just posted that short video about this Comic Book Community Awards, the CBCA Awards. So if you haven't heard about them, go to that link, check them out, vote for your favorite community member from the comic book community. I do a lot of pressing, so I would appreciate you throw me a vote. But hey, if you watch somebody that's better than me, go throw them a vote, because there's a lot of people out there doing a lot of great stuff. And we would appreciate any support. So just even to see my name on that list with a vote on it means the world to me. So check it out. Hope you enjoy this video. All right, back at the grind. So Izzy gave me another 9 books to clean and press for him. This one he's a little pressed for because he wants to take this to Terrificon, I believe, to get a Bagley signature, and maybe somebody else. The other is not so much in a rush for, so I figured I'd get started with this one. So, so $1.25 on there. He said that's not what he paid. It is a newsie. First appearance of Carnage, ASM 361. Sorry, heat press. Take a look at this bad boy. Let's get this light a little closer. And we got a couple, maybe not spine color breaking ticks by the Staples. We got a little one right there too. They don't appear to be color breaking, but maybe a tiny bit. Got like a little indentation there. Corners are pretty nice. You got a little bit of a ripple right there, you see it. And this back always drives me crazy because it always looks dirty no matter what it looks like. But you can see tick wise, you got that on the back side there as well. So pretty clean. So I don't want to start scrubbing this cover because it's got a lot of little dots in the white. But I am going to give it a once over with an Absorbing sponge quickly, and then some cotton rounds. I don't know if that's actually in the book or that's a spec. So I'm going to go look at my copy to see if that little dot is supposed to be there or not. Okay, I just looked. It is not on my copy, so that does not belong there. Let me clean this eraser real quick. All right, nice and clean. I don't know what the hell that is. I think I got it. Mostly. Still there, tiny bit. See, I don't want to dig too deep and compromise the color, so I'm just gonna leave it at that and hope the grader thinks it's part of the cover, because there is dots all up here. So I'm trying to hit just the light spots. New one. I feel something right there. Weird. Won't see it, but you feel it. Okay, time for some steam. Silicone parchment paper. More silicone parchment paper. And take this tray over to the press. All right, this is a pulp book, so I have it at 160. If this was modern, like new modern, would definitely probably have it at like 135. But, and as I say in all my videos, don't smash your book to death. If you have to do that too hard, it's too much pressure, you're going to damage the spine of your book. You want to do it gently, and you want to leave it in here. Because of the humidity, I'm going to leave it in about 6 minutes, shut the press off, and let it cool down for about 3 hours before I actually take it out, because I don't want it to revert back to what it was if I take it out too quickly. All right. One stupid little tick does not want to come out. Good otherwise. All right, so you got that one little tick I can't get out. There's like light ones by that staple. Really light one there. I'm gonna say it's like a 9.0-ish book, give or take. If they ding them for that little stupid little stain, it'll probably bring it into the 8s. But if he's smart and he listens to my advice, if you try to get a signature over here somewhere, they won't even see it. But really nice copy otherwise. And it is a newsie, so that does play in a little bit because they were not that common in the 90s when this book came out. So, but nice book, did the best I could. Hopefully he gets in the 9s, but you know, we'll see what happens. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more content from me, smash that subscribe button, because I can do this all day.